Good day subscriber, I'm Sean. Welcome to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can put the outlet and install a new outlet. In this case, you see we have an outlet here. So we're gonna install another outlet behind the wall. So we go here, we're gonna put one outlet right there. The first thing, you have to make sure you turn off the power from the breaker and you don't have a power to the outlet. You can test it and make sure 100% you don't have the power. So you have to take everything off the cover to get access inside there. So we took that one off. So now behind that, as you see, is a box, blue box. So we have a black wire is hot, white wire is neutral, and that the other wire is the ground. That one is ground. So exactly behind that, we're gonna put another outlet. So we're gonna make the hole in the middle of the box to get access to the other side. So we made that hole in the middle, as you see, and now when we go in the back, we see that hole here. So now we measure from that hole, so it's almost 3/4 inch. So we have to go 3/4 inch to the right here, so it's gonna be to the left to the other side. I may measure over the 3/4, so but I make a mark to 1.5 inch. So I want to make sure I'm past that box. So I'm gonna put my box here. So I put my box here. I know it's not pretty. This was my line. I put my box here and I draw around it. So now I'm gonna start cutting around this box to get access to the back. We cut the drywall for the box, and I cut another one here just to show you guys the outlet, and you can get more picture of the outlet. So the outlet is there and our hole here, and you can see the I don't know if you can see, let me turn on the, and you can see the outlet over there. So we can get the wire from here, or even we make the hole here, so we can get the wire from here. So as you see, I run the wire from that hole in the back, and it came through here. So I pull it here. So I'm gonna make the hole on my box. It already has a hole. I can run it from this top. I broke this top and I run that hose and put this here. When you want to measure the box, measure from the top. When you put the box and you want to make a line, don't make it from here, make a line from here. So turn this and make a line here. I had to make the box a little bigger so that the box get fit here. There you go. So we installed the outlet. So black wire is hot, is going to the gold screw, as you see. White is neutral, is going to silver screw, and that one is a ground. Alright, I tied the black to the black here, and white to white, and ground to that one, to the ground. So I'm gonna put the tape around it, and that's it. There you go. This is our outlet, and I tested, as you see, it's working. So I'm gonna make another video to show you how to patch that wall. If you're interested, you can subscribe my channel and smash that like button, so it helped me to grow my channel and making more video for you guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.